AI application. I will be pretty much showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Here, this is the home screen, not the home screen, but home screen when you first open the application. So this is a AI bot which you can chat with. You can pretty much ask the AI anything. As you can see here, you have some preset questions which you can ask the AI as well. Down here you have some preset things as well which you can do with the AI. Yeah, so here the photo icon pretty much can take a picture, AI scan it, or whatever case what you want to do with it. You have the voice note, you can send a voice note with the AI to the AI. Also can add your picture, or by tapping the plus icon here, you can add a picture, take audio files, whatever the case is. Here you can also get on a call with the AI. So if you tap on the call icon here, will automatically start connecting with the AI and will answer your questions in real time. So the speaker icon, pretty much anytime you open any one of these AI, but tap on the black icon here, you can see other AIs you can talk with. So let's say, for example, I want to talk with a dating coach AI. It will pretty much be here, just tap on it. And as you can see here, the speaker is off, but once it's on, it pretty much can read out loud what is here. So anything at all, it will read out loud.
Active listening is key, making them feel heard and understood.
So as you can see here, it will automatically read out loud the answer for you. So if you want to turn that off, just press on the mic option there, and you're good to go. So the three dots over here, which pretty much shares you the bot information, how much people have texted the bot. The dating bot, as you can see here, 700,000 people have messaged this dating bot here. Also can change the voice of the dating bot. Eval section here, and as you can see, quite a lot of voices which you can change it to. You have the female option, and you also have the male option as well. So whichever you choose depends upon you. So that's pretty much it for that. There you can also tap on the three dots over here to clear the chat with the AI bot, that which is pretty much this. You can also change the language as well, or you can add it to your own screen. So if you want to start a new topic, pretty much have to go into this section as well to start a new topic, to pretty much cancel off everything here, start something fresh. So if I talk on it here, as you can see, we'll start a new topic, will not remember anything that you were talking about before. So that's pretty much it for that option there. If you tap on pen icon, it goes back to the original chatbot, which is this here. So, but the rest of them are just some different chatbots. Which you can also speak with, which specialize in different things. So that's pretty much it for that. There down here you can also see the create AI, which creates AI generated images. You can also add your photo as reference and the style that you want it to be in. Also add the image details, which even give it more context for it to generate a proper image for you. And also if you're lazy to text, you can always send a voice note by tapping the voice note icon there. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And the profile icon, you can edit nothing much. And you have the private section, which can add your private generated images. And if you want some of them to be public, you can also do that as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. And in the settings option, nothing much than text size and the theme, which pretty much can go into dark or light mode. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Nothing much, as you can see, perhaps. So if I miss anything at all, please comment below. I would love to see you in the next video.